Welcome to the weekly E3 market report. Exports have just come out. We're going to go and look right now at cotton. Looks like a good number came out in cotton, 275,100 running bales, unchanged from the previous week, but up 15% from the 4-week average. Indonesia took 63,500 running bales. India took 50,600 running bales. Turkey took 43,200 running bales. Vietnam took 42,700. And so we had good broad-based buying here. For 2018-2019, net sales of 104,600. Shipments of 289,900. That's a marketing year high. That's up 3% from the previous week and up 27% from the 4-week average. Markets reacting in a very positive way. Cotton was up about 29 to 30 just before the report. Now it's up 69, so it has firmed up from these numbers. Let's look at soybeans. Net sales of 1,240,200 metric tons, up noticeably from the previous week, up 31% from the 4-week average. China took 576,600 metric tons. Mexico took 238,800 metric tons. Egypt took 116,100 metric tons. The market in beans just before the report was up 3 1/4. Now it's up 4. Corn, net sales of 1,888,300 metric tons, up noticeably from the previous week and also the 4-week average. Increases were reported for unknown destinations, taking 770,200 metric tons. Japan, 415,600 metric tons. Peru, taking 157,000 metric tons. Corn, before the report was up 1 1/4. Right now it's up 2. Looking at wheat, net sales of 153,100. That is, well, it's hard to believe. It says that's up noticeably from the previous week, but down 58% from the 4-week average. Japan took 97,200. Iraq took 52,500. Mexico took 45,700. The wheat market before the report was up 1.5 pennies, and it's still there. Let's talk about some of the recent news in these markets. Cotton, of course, has seen an explosive move up, led by speculative buying, mill fixations, good demand, and also global challenges as far as the supply and demand, and specifically as far as India goes. What to expect? Trading range for anywhere from a low end down towards 75 to 77, high end up towards 85, and also I've got a question mark there because in a market like this it's hard to know how high it might go. Suggestions would be to sell new crop as this market rallies. I know we had an analyst recommending hedging 25% to 50% of the new crop above 75 cents. December right now is at 75.72. So that's a consideration for farmers out there to take advantage of these high prices, creating upward movement in old crop, also dragging up new crop with it to some high levels. Soybeans, corn, and wheat, big carry out has put a lid on these markets. Expect demand to start coming around. Also expect these markets to start trending up through the winter. Looking at soybeans, maybe getting as high as 990, and the low end perhaps 950. Right now that market is at 977. Corn, looking at March corn right now, trading at 353. A high end there, anywhere from 360 to 370. The low end we might see 345. Wheat, expect that market to move up into the 450 to 460 level. On the low end, we could retreat back down to 410. Right now, March wheat is at 426. As far as what to do in grains go, typically this market trends up through winter into the spring. During planting time, that would be an opportunity for farmers to look to do some hedging. Let's look at these markets one more time. Cotton right now is up 76. It was up 29 before the report. That puts it at 83.39. Soybeans at the moment are up 4 at 977. It was up 3 1/4 before the report. Corn is at the moment up 2. It's rallied 3/4 of a cent. It was up a penny and a quarter before the report. And wheat's exactly where it was, up a penny and a half. So all these markets are holding steady or moving up off these better than expected export numbers. So that's it. Thanks for being with us for the E3 Weekly Market Report. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.